Hi, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on what time you're watching this. Welcome to an introductory lecture on the Business Analytics Nano Degree program offered here at Udacity. I'm excited as you are, and I'm sure you're looking forward to a great learning experience. Also, relax and embrace all the project and assignments as it is our goal to make you the best business analyst out there. So, look forward to an exciting time. All right, a quick introduction of myself. I am Chidera Okoma, an alumni of this particular program. Therefore, I bet I'm the best person to tell you what to expect in this course. I currently work with a Google sponsored program here in Nigeria. I have worked as an analyst in an IT consulting firm. Also, I've worked in the Central Bank of Nigeria. I look forward to building an amazing career in data science, and I would soon start grad school at the University of Melbourne. You can reach me with my email given on the slide, or you can send me a message on LinkedIn as well. All right, so it's our goal that you understand what business analytics is as you prepare for the course ahead. So, in this slide, I would do a little exposition on what business analytics is. So, it's a technique that combines skills, which is human skills and expertise, with technologies and applications to help companies and businesses gain insight to what they do into their business. So that is what business analytics is. And to gain insights, they use companies' data. That includes their historical data and whatever customer data they have and all of this. Also, they use past records of their business performances to draw insight into the business. This analysis, most of the time, is based on maths and statistics. So it's important to have a fair knowledge of the statistics and maths that we'll be talking about. But don't be scared, it will be dealt with and taught properly in the duration of this course. Another additional thing business analytics helps you to do is to have like an explanatory or predictive model into your data. So it explains what happens in or gives you insights on your business and also helps you to give like predictive models or predictive insights into the business. Lastly, it's something that helps you to be able to automate processes and optimize business processes as well. Okay, to recap what we just discussed, it's important to note that organizations and businesses are always looking forward to improve, either to improve an existing processes or operation, or to just take up new challenges or build new products, and to help them make the best decisions and put their best feet forward. Business analytics comes in. So now we know that business analytics is a powerful way to help these organizations gain insight into a problem using data. So, with their insights, organizations and businesses can make better decisions concerning what they do and concerning improving their processes and operations. So now we know that the highlight of what we do as analysts is to draw insight. It's very important to understand what it takes to draw the right insights from data. As an analyst, you must first and foremost understand the business problem. This is a very, very crucial aspect of what we do. In fact, I believe is the most important thing to do as an analyst. Understanding the problem sets you in the right course on sourcing for the right data, knowing what particular analysis to perform on it, and so on. So, the first question you should ask as a business analyst is, what is the problem? What is the challenges this business is facing? What is the pain point, or what do you want to improve on? So that is the first questions to ask. From there, you can deduce what data to use. So once you know the business problem and understand the challenges the businesses is facing, then it's important to deduce or source for the right data. And we do this by maybe asking or getting companies' data, trying to remove what is relevant and using what is relevant. Also, it's important to know how to cleanse your data, how to prepare your data, and put it in a more structured and readable format. And this course will teach you how to do all of those. After that, it's important to know what particular analysis you want to perform on this data. So you understand the problem, you have the right data, then what? What are you doing with this data? That's when the right analysis comes in. You know whether to do a logical regression, or whether to use a decision tree, or whether to, whatever models you're using, it's important to understand that as well. So in this course, we will teach you how to get comfortable with data. So to do that, we will teach you how to get information from databases, right? So you'll be learning to write SQL codes, how to import data, how to manipulate data, how to merge data or join data, and all of those things you do with SQL. As well, you would learn to work with data, look at a sheet or a table of maybe 10,000 entries, and then be able to understand what is going on in the data, recognizing what is relevant to your studies or what is relevant to solving the business problem. Also, you would look at how to either remove a particular entry because it's not well represented, or you would want to fill it up with maybe an arbitrary value. That is all encapsulated in data wrangling. So in data wrangling, you were learning to cleanse data, you will learn to spot outliers, you will learn to impute maybe missing entries or values, and all of these things can be done with a software called Ultrix. So Ultrix is a self-serviced application that really helps you understand what is going on in your data per time. So you'll be working with that, and you gain so much visibility into what you're doing. And after that, when the data is well structured, you're ready to perform the analysis. Ultrix also helps you do that. So there are a lot of regressions you can do on Ultrix. So you can run so many models through your data, do some comparisons, do some testings with the same tool, Ultrix. So you'll be learning a whole lot about Ultrix in this course. And lastly, when you've gotten an insight, you would want to visualize those insights and pass or communicate your insights. So that's where data visualization comes in. So in this course, you would learn to visualize your data using a software called Tableau. Tableau is a powerful, powerful software for data visualization. With it, you can create a lot of interactive dashboards that you can share with your friends and colleagues, and it makes it very, very, very easy to have visibilities and drill down into particular informations, and it's quite easy to use. So it's something to be excited for in this course as well. So you'll learn how to visualize data in Tableau and also tell stories with Tableau. And as we said earlier, communicating your finding is as important as the analysis you've performed on the data. So it's an important and crucial aspect of what we do as analysts, to be able to communicate clearly within a short period of time, paying attention to details, our findings, right? So it's important to learn data visualizations. So this is what this course will encompass. In conclusion, I'm sure you're super excited and pumped about this course. I can guarantee you that in this course you will learn a whole lot about drawing insights from data. And in return, you would help your businesses and organizations make better decisions. If you have any questions or comments, you can send it to my email as displayed on the slides. Thank you.